Hi everyone, and welcome back to day 18 of our Vlogmas challenge. And today we are going to make the triangle puzzle block. And that puzzle block, we have foundation paper piecing, we have half square triangles, we have a 9 patch in the center of solid fabric. And so when we're going to put it together, it's going to be amazing. So let's go ahead. Let me show you the cutting instructions, the dimensions of our block. Let me go ahead and show you how to paper piece. I will give a more detailed instructional video of paper piecing later on. I did it to the best of my abilities for this video to try to keep it as short as possible also. So anyway, let's go ahead, get into it and see what we come up with. So for the triangle puzzle block, we had to print out 4 of these papers. So to create foundation paper piecing parts. So it's a 3-inch block, and you're going to put this, and I'll show you how to do this step by step, and we'll do this together, but you're going to need that, and then you will need 3 1/8 by 3 5/4 rectangles, and we needed 8 of those, 4 of those. We're also going to need 8 of our either background or focus fabric. I chose to do my focus fabric this time around. Did I? 1, 2, 3. No, I didn't. I did the background. So the focus fabric, I needed 5 of those that are 3 inches square. And then the background fabric, we need 8 of those that are 3-inch squared. And this is going to make a 12.5-inch block when we finish. Oh, and then, we also need this. And this is 7 1/4 by 7 1/4 square. We have a background and a focus fabric. And then we are going to create half square triangles by sewing on each side of the line and then cutting vertical, horizontal, and then on the lines. All right, so in order to make this foundation paper piece, what we're gonna do is take our background, and I'm just gonna lay it this paper right on top. I'm gonna take my ruler and then I'm gonna crease the solid line, okay, because that's the line I'm gonna sew on. This 1/4 inch ruler has a little shelf on it, so I can go ahead and slide it right up and create, a 1/4 inch away from the paper. Then I'm going to take my background, and I'm going to have it face up, and I'm going to match the side and keep it about right there. So I have an overhang on either side. Okay. I also, so it doesn't shift, I take a pin, and we have cap, and I pin it right there. Then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I am going to sew on that line. Okay, I'm going to take my pin out. I'm going to flip it over, and now I'm going to press it. All right, let's move my wool mat again. I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to fold back on that line. take my ruler, use the 1/4 inch. Okay, then I'm going to take, so I repeated it, I'm going to take the next one, I'm going to make sure that it's even in the middle, flip it over, remember that was face up again, and now I'm going to sew down that solid line. Okay. All right. Press it out. And then just going to take my trim it ruler, we're just going to trim up on the dotted lines. Okay. And that is what we have. And to tear it off, because I used a 1.5 seam allowance, it just tears right down. Okay, and we're just gonna make 4 of those. All right, so let's go ahead and show how this block gets together. Okay, so we start with a solid background, then a half square triangle, then one of our paper piece blocks, another half square triangle, and a background. I'm just going to set it over here. All right, half square triangle. Oops, these go out this way. All right. Background, or solid background. And you see that I changed the fabrics for this. All right, and here. Right, and doesn't look like I'm going to have room on this board, but it's just repeating. All the way down, and then I'll repeat this row down here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together and show you what the block looks like. And day 17 is in the books. Look how beautiful she is. I really enjoyed how she turned out. Yes, all these just snowflakes, the silver lining, oh, just everything. It's just so amazing. I'm really, really blessed and just so happy that I am doing this project. Absolutely, absolutely. So I can't wait to share this with you guys and where it's gonna go in the quilt. So anywho, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for following along. Thank you for hanging out with me. And I'll see you on day 8 of Vlogmas tomorrow at noon. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.